Hi everyone, a student asked me a question and he commented on my video and he said that, sir, what is the difference between inflectional morpheme and derivational morpheme? So I would like to tell you in simple words that derivational morpheme and inflectional morpheme, both of them are bound morphemes. And as you know that both bound morphemes are those morphemes which need to be attached with a stem. So the difference between derivational morpheme and inflectional morpheme is, in derivational morpheme, when we add a derivational morpheme to a stem, so it will change the grammatical category of a word. For example, an adjective will become a noun and so on. For example, if we add the derivational morpheme ness with the good, so it becomes goodness. As you know that good is adjective, but when we add a derivational morpheme with it ness, so it becomes a noun, goodness. So similar is the case with the happy. Happy is an adjective, but when we add derivational morpheme with it ness, so it becomes a noun like happiness. An inflectional morpheme will not change the grammatical category of a word. For example, and it will just show us whether the verb is a past tense or whether the noun is plural or singular. For example, if I say that boy, so when we add inflectional morpheme with it is, so it shows us the plurality of a noun like boy and plus inflectional morpheme boys. So you have seen that it did not change the grammatical category of a word. And similar is the case with he watched a movie. So here watched is basically there is inflectional morpheme ed, so but here it did not change the grammatical category of a word, so therefore it is called inflectional morpheme.